Welcome back to Triple X Learning. Today we have this amazing question on your screen. That is root under 1112 whole square minus 4444. How we can solve this question? We have this question. That is it is 1112 square minus 4444. How we can solve this question? So I'm just going to discuss one way to solve this question. First of all, I will try to simplify this in this way. So this can be simplified in this way: 1112 and a square. Here we have a square, and you can see that here we have 4444. That can be write as 4 multiply 1111. In this way we can write this all terms, and we have next term is that this one. So this one can be write as 1111 plus 1. In this way we can write. Now you can see easily we have such a common thing. That common is 1111 is here. That is, you can see here and we can see here. Now we have one thing, so that one is here we have this value, this one and this one. So we are just going to take common here, that one. That's why I'm taking this one as x. Let x equal to 1111 over here, and this can be simplified in this way. That is, we can put here x plus 1 whole square minus 4 times of x, and that is inside our root. In this way we can write. And now this can be easily accomplished by formula, and that formula is, we are having here, that formula is a plus b whole square. This identity I am going to use here. Here a square plus 2ab plus b square I am going to use over here. So this one is giving x square. If I am breaking down this square, so we have x square plus 2x plus 1 and minus 4x this way, and that is going to give us x square minus 2x plus 1, and this is also one kind of identity, and that identity is a minus b whole square. This is giving a square minus 2ab plus b square. So we can compare this all thing with this one, and we have this value, that is root under x minus 1 whole square in this way. And this square and this one will cancel in this way, x minus 1 whole square, and we have here 1 upon 2. So this is going to cancel. So this is what x minus 1, and we have already assumed that x is equal to 1111. So I'm just going to put this value over here. So 1111 minus 1, and it is giving 1110, and this is our solution for this equation. This value that is already given inside our root. So this one. Thank you so much for watching my videos. For latest upcoming, please subscribe my channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you so much.